We talk a lot about free real estate on this channel, but a lot of people don't really believe that you can get a house for free. Well, I'm going to tell you guys how I got my first house for free at 21 years old. Let's get into it. A lot of people think getting into real estate will be quick, or it won't take that long, or it might take a month, but it took me over a year of searching and looking at a ton of different properties to finally find my first deal. Finally, I got a word of mouth referral from a caretaker who inherited a house from her patient who died. It had a $30,000 mortgage against it, and she saw that as a liability. So she just wanted to sign the house away with the mortgage, but we realized that if we did a basic clean out and ripped the carpet out possibly, we could sell the house for more. Using our title company, they gave us a contract, we took that to her, and we did a subject to mortgage assumption for the property. So for the cost of a title search and a title swap, $250, we got the house. We assumed the house along with the mortgage of $30,000 and a $350 a month payment. After we acquired the property, we ripped out the old stained carpets, we cleaned out all the old belongings, we cleaned everything, we painted the basement walls with waterproofing paint, we like to use Kills primer. All the supplies for that costed us about $150 and our time. We listed the property for $75,000 after we did that work, and we ended up actually taking, after a month, a lower cash offer after a price reduction for $48,000, and we were in the house for $30,000 mortgage plus around $750 in supplies and mortgage payments. And even though we only made $18,000, which isn't any kind of insane profit, it was my first deal and it was a basically free house, so I was happy with it. Subject to is a great way to get a property without having to use your credit and go to the bank and get a loan, and sometimes it can be the perfect situation to benefit both parties. If you guys have made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one. Also, if you guys want to learn how to get real estate leads for yourself so you can talk to motivated sellers and try to get your own free house, I linked down below my own video where I show you how I get real estate leads and my own deal funnels. If you guys want to learn more about creative financing, we have other videos on our page that teach you about seller financing and subject to, but if you stay tuned, next week I'm dropping a video that's another creative financing solution that I've used several times that's not subject to or seller financing, so stay tuned for that.